Hi guys, it's me Kim. Welcome to my life and welcome to my vlog.
And it goes a little something like
So I'm back for another content. And the content is unboxing again. Because I tried using skincare of my friends and it worked for me perfectly fine. Wah! Nag-i-English si ante. This is the serum I ordered on TikTok. Oops. Okay, I'll put that aside. This serum. Ching! Let me unbox it first. I'll try it later. Because I'm going to do a night routine too. Night routine vlog. Shit, babasagin! Hindi ko pa natatry itong serum na to. But the moisturizer one that I ordered and the sunscreen. So, should I try ba? Okay. This is my skin. Okay. Okay. Baka may step by step.
A few minutes later.
Bear with me guys. It's my first time. First time ko lang gumamit ng mga skincare. Okay, then oh, napadami. Sana hiyang. Like. Lah. It got. Oh. Inamoy. Maybe this one. It's the moisturizer one. Ba't ba nag-i-English ako? Nag-i-English! It's already 12:10. I tried the aloe vera version of this. And it's good in my face. It got smooth and clear. And shiny.
bruh.
I choose this because ano siya sa oily skin. I'll apply here. Naparami, idol. Like, wow. Like, ba't ba inaamoy ko? Ito na yung sunscreen, guys. Fair skin. Kita ba? Ito yung mga uso sa TikTok ngayon. Hindi pala siya I'll use it. Ito ba? Like, ulitin natin guys. Sunscreen lang naman to eh. Yan. But feeling ko hindi halata sa akin. Yeah. It's a white yarn. Ano ba? Then next, ito pala. Ang Dazzle Me. Shara! This is the lip balm. Peach Punch. It's a peach punch. Uy, hambong! It smells so good. Should I try this on? Maybe here. Oh. See that? Oh. I'll try this later on my lips. Okay. Then, I ordered a lip serum too from Dazzle Me. Wow! I'll try this on my ano to. Uy. Hindi siya mabigat. It's not heavy. Then, oh wow. Shanan. So, magre-record ulit ako siguro na night routine ulit ang content to show you guys if may improvement ba sa pagmumukha ko. Parang wala naman akong ano. Lambena. Here we go, guys. Then may instruction. I think, yeah. It has instruction. Nakalagay dito ay 8 to 15 minutes get dry. And after that, peel away. But from what I see on TikTok, it's like 5 minutes. It's okay na. For 5 to 10 minutes. Oh. This is the cream one. Yo, I need to take this off first later. Then this is the peel that I will put later after I use this cream on my nose. It has a 60 of this. Okay, yun lang po guys. Thank you for watching.